Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers, and the first one is located right here on top of the phone and another one on the bottom right here, and I think there's also speaker right here, and that's a phone call speaker. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that means this phone had the mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so I can clearly tell that the sound was coming from this speaker and this one as well, and that confirms it. This device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.